Hi guys, good morning. Pam Wilson again from Wilson3D Designs here. I wanted to share with you a couple of my new items and how to use them, because they will be linked on my Etsy store at Wilson3dDesigns-Etsy.com. The first one I got coming to us today is something I told my husband. Now my husband's designed all this. I give him an idea of what us ladies need, and I tell him, honey, I've got these drills that are popping up off my diamond painting, and I'm putting them in a spare tray over the side of my diamond painting, and my diamond painting is elevated, or my new diamond painting desk is elevated, and it sticks up like this. So this I actually have to stick to some washi tape and have it, hope that it stays to my canvas. So today us are going to use this item together, and I want to demonstrate how he designed it to help us. Now, as you know, I've been creating a diamond painting cover minder series. This is one of our new cover minders. I know you're wondering why it has this funnel. How many times have you been sitting there painting on your diamond painting and you have something we call trash drills? You take the trash drill off. Now I was sticking it in the corner of my desk, but it was making a mess. So I started putting them in this little tray. So he put one, these are some of the colors that they're gonna come in. He put one on my diamond painting and told me to try it out, but I didn't try it out because I told him I wanted to do it on camera. So here's my spare garbage drills. Now see, in the tray, there's some wax too. So you're gonna throw that in the trash can. We're gonna call this the Trashminder. Now, if anything sticks to this tray, it's not by design. It's because it has wax on it. And I pulled it off the painting because it wasn't sticking, or it wasn't sticking to the canvas well, if that makes any sense to you. So you're gonna stick all your garbage drills in your garbage trash minder. Look how they're getting stuck up in there. Into your trash minder. I'm gonna use a X-Acto knife. I'm gonna get them out. And then you're going to attach your trash minder to your painting. What I do is I have it, put my plug back in. What I do, this is my stacker tray in clear. It's no longer available in clear, but it's available in 9 other silk colors. So go out and look at that today. You're gonna put this piece on the bottom of your canvas, like slide it under your canvas. And I don't have an example here. Let's just use one of my thank you cards for an example. You're gonna take this, put it under your painting. You're gonna put this on top. Now, what I do is if I need to use my glue dots minder or my my trash minder, I pull it over off to the side like this, and then I use it for whatever I have to do, and then I just put it right back on my canvas. Okay. Now this, the reason why he designed it is when you tip it up like this. Look at that, girls. No drills are coming out. Now that's because of the funnel design on the inside. Everything's gonna go up inside the lid. Now, if you need to clean it out, you're going to take it to your trash can and you're gonna clean it out. It will hold anything from wax bits to trash drills to anything you want. And see, here's the little funnel. It's got a little lip on it. There's no extra pieces. And then when you put it on, it's gonna snap on like that. Did y'all hear the snap? Let me do it one more time for you. There's the lid. It's gonna snap on just like this. Now, when I'm done with that, or say I have to go empty it in the trash can, I bring it right back to my canvas and I pop it right on there. Now, when my canvas is elevated like this at a 30 to 45 degree angle, that trash minder is going nowhere. When I got a piece of wax trash, I'm just gonna dump it in there. When I got a trash drill, I'm just gonna dump it in there. Now these are gonna start at $9.99 on my Etsy shop. Like I said, www. Now also you can slide it off your painting, and the whole base and everything comes with it. I really like our cover minder series. But my website is Wilson3dDesigns at, oh, that's my email, at gmail.com. And my website is Wilson3dDesigns.etsy.com. And I know that because it's printed on the side of my keychain. Wilson3dDesigns.etsy.com. I really like Etsy. I have no complaints with Etsy. I plan on staying with Etsy. I know there's been some complaints with Etsy, but I like them. My next new, now this is gonna go back on my painting, guys. And then this is gonna go back on my painting also, but in a drawer so I can use it for later. So those are mine. These are some of the other colors available. Go on my website, you can see the other colors I got. This is what I'm really excited about. Same thing. Now I'm going to tell you what it is before I show you the magnets. I like to slide it off to the side. But here's the magnet piece. Now this is going to be just like the Trashminder. You're going to put this below your painting and you're going to leave it there. Then you're going to pick this up off the painting. You're going to slide the lid to the side. What is that, guys? What is that? What is it? Now, I'm not able to mention what brand of wax this is because I have been asked by the owner not to mention their brand name of their wax. But I can show you because I bought this wax myself. And I designed this project or cover minder just to fit this brand of wax, but I can't tell you what it is. Everybody knows what it is by looking at it. I'm gonna actually show you, and I know you know what it is, but I'm not gonna mention it. So this is one of my favorite scents. If you know her wax, it's scented. It's one of my favorites. I purchased this myself. Nobody gave this to me. It's not being endorsed in any way, but it was created around this item, around this product, because I love this so much. But what was happening is I was grabbing this, I was opening the little Ziploc, I was sticking my pin. Let me see if I got a diamond pin sitting right here anywhere. Sticking my pin. I had a pin. Where'd it go? Oh, look how strong that is. I was sticking my diamond pin. Here's one of my easy grips, but it doesn't have a tip in it. I was sticking my diamond painting pin in the wax. Here's an example right here. In the wax, in the Ziploc, getting some wax in there, putting it in my pin, like everybody knows. Now, you also know that sometimes you got excess wax. Where's that wax gonna go? Hello, Trashminder. Now y'all have a place for your wax trash too. So you're gonna load your pin. You're gonna, oh, we're gonna lift this up because we're holding it in our hands, right? And then this is gonna stay on the wax minder. So you're gonna load your pin like this. You're gonna place it on there. You're gonna close it up because it slides. Now, message, this is not airtight. This will not keep this It's just got a seal like that. It's not airtight. I'm not gonna tell you again, this is not airtight. This will not keep this wax fresh, and this will not guarantee that it loses its scent. So what you wanna do is, if you're gonna be away from your painting for a while, you're gonna take this brick out, you're gonna put it back in its plastic bag, and you're gonna move on to the next one. And then when you're about to do your diamond painting again, just get a block out and put it in your wax minder. I can't make anything airtight on a 3D printer. It's just not possible. But after I use the wax, I'm going to take it again, put it down on my painting, and then your 30 to 45 degree angle painting is just going to set like this. That wax is going nowhere. Now, if you're talented enough, you can actually leave it on the painting, slide it to the side, load your pen, slide it back, and la-di-da. Look at that. My pen's are full. So where's my wax trash gonna go? In the Trashminder. There you go, guys. That's 2 new items at Wilson3dDesigns.etsy.com. I got a silk purple, I got a yellow, I got a pastel green, which I don't think I'm gonna do this one anymore. I think we're just gonna offer the wax minders in silks. So this is a silk teal. This is a pastel teal, but I don't like it. I don't like how flat the flat PLAs look. So I think I'm just gonna do silk. So you got your silk purple, you got your silk white, your gold, and your silk teal are gonna be my main hitters. And I think we're gonna offer all 9 silks in this. So run out the shop now, get you a wax minder and a trash minder. Both are gonna run $9.99 introductory rate on my store. Comes up off your canvas and goes right back on. Introductory rate $9.99. Go get yours today, and I hope you find this helpful. I have not done the black set of the giveaway because I didn't get to 300 likes and I didn't get to 300 subscribers. So I said that was the goal of 300 likes or 300 subscribers, and I'm not there yet. So until I'm there, that black set, giveaway set, which I'll give you a glimpse of it right here, is still up for grabs. So on this video also, you can put on there, I forgot my words, what my words were for my last video. I want that please, or I want these please. And then I will go pick a random commenter. You have to like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification down below for when I do a new video, which is very random. I don't do them very often. And I think I'm gonna start introducing a new floss tube to my channel. That's gonna have to do with cross stitching, and I have a few cross stitching 3D printed items that I want to make too. I'm gonna design, and I want to make those too, because you guys all know that if you diamond paint, diamond paintings kind of go under the category of cross stitch. So they're kind of like a diamond cross stitch instead of a, you know, cross stitch pattern. Instead of thread, you're using little drills. So I'm gonna say bye on here. Don't forget, I need 300 likes on this video or the other video, and I need to get 300 subscribers. You need to put I want these in your comment down below, and you have to be subscribed to my channel to win, because I'm gonna pull the person's name and then go check to see if they subscribe to me. And that is all for today. Run over and get your Waxminder or your Trashminder today. And notice nothing's falling out, girls. You would have to tip it like completely upside down. And then maybe something might fall out, the hole. But otherwise, nothing's coming out of this, girls. So run out and get your Trashminder today. And I will see you later. Bye.